Hi guys, my name's Jade. Welcome to my channel if you are new, or if you're returning to my channel then hi, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to say before we get into this video, the reason why I look so strange, I've hardly got any makeup on, my hair's in a scruffy bun, it's very greasy, I'm not gonna lie, I do need to wash it. It's like 11 o'clock at night and I'm sitting filming this video. The lighting isn't the best, as you can tell, because it's very late and I'm just using my ring light. But I wanted to sit down and film this video for you guys because I'm actually going on holiday tomorrow and I've been so busy and haven't got any content out. So I was like, right, I'm just going to film this video and I can edit it on the way when we're going to the holiday camp and I can get it up for you. So this should be up Friday. So this should be up on Friday. It should be Friday today. Happy Friday. So anyway, let's just get straight into today's video. Today's video is going to be a haul. So the people from Cherryz got in contact with me and asked if I want to do a little unboxing review. So if you don't know what Cherryz is, it's basically a website. They do have an app as well. You can go on there and you can select items from household items to beauty, to like garden things, and they've also got, what else have they got on there, like food, so all sorts of different things. So it's like a bargain discount store and it's online and it's called Cherryz. You can literally go on there and select anything. There's so many things. So I was kind of gifted £30 to spend on the app and I've picked up a load of stuff. If I can get the box, I just opened it to have a little peek, but this is the box. That's how big it is, so it's huge. I got so many things. So I went with in mind that we're going away and we're obviously staying in a caravan, so I picked up some things that we could take with us. So I've got like a couple of snack things and cleaning products, so we can like obviously wash clothes and things there, but obviously just household bits and things that we needed in the house anyway. But before we get into today's video guys, quickly, if you aren't subscribed to my channel and you want to stick around for more videos and you love my content, then please make sure that you click the subscribe button down below. And if you do, as ever guys, like this video, make sure that you do give it a huge thumbs up as well. So let's just get into this haul and let's just unbox this box and see what I got, guys. So the first thing that I got was this Does It Tile and Grout Super Scrubber. So it basically looks like one of those, what they called, like a magic eraser. So it kind of looks like that. It just helps remove black spots and lime scale. So I just thought, oh, I could do with that because I hate doing like the tiles and the grout. It's just so grubby and it's a horrible job. Let's give this a go and see what this is like. So I believe this was something like maybe £1. I think most items in this haul were like £1, so I got myself those. So then I picked up some Additionmatic refills because I have one of these and they go so quickly, like they go so grubby quickly. I always have to pick up a pack of these. So I got these and they were like £1 again, I think. But then the next thing I picked up were these bold 3-in-1 pods. I was running out of these pods. We used the, is it the fairy non-bio ones? But I wanted to try these because these have Lenore softener in. So I wanted to try these. So it's a sparkling bloom and yellow poppy scent. These were £4 and you get 15 in a pack. Yeah, 15 in a pack. So I wanted to try those. So yeah, we'll take a couple of those away with us in case we need to do any washing. So £4 for those. So then I picked up this. Now you're probably thinking this is so random, but James has been banging on about buying some like a peg basket, something to put pegs in, because we don't have anything at the moment, and on our washing line they're literally just hung on, like clipped on there. And every time I've been to like Home Bargains, I've never really found anything. So when I saw this on the Cherryz app, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get this. It just so I got this little peg basket. This was £2 and I just thought, you know, why not? It's a little peg tidy basket. You can clip it to your washing line and the pegs are in there. It just reminds me of something that my nana would have, or my mum, and I just thought, you know what, I'm gonna get it. So yeah, I got myself a little peg basket. So then I got these, is it Macate Gold Premium Iced Coffee Drink, caramel flavour. I love an iced coffee. So nice. I mean, it's probably not the weather for it now because it's September and it's getting a bit colder, but I picked these up and again these were £1. So You get 8 sachets in there, and I think I'm going to take these with us to the caravan because I do like an iced coffee. And you can have an iced coffee, it doesn't matter if it's cold or warm, I'll still have one. So I got those because I absolutely love them. And then I seen this, guys, and I don't ever think I've seen this before. Don't ever think I've seen it before in a shop. Maybe I'm just oblivious, but I got this peppercorn sauce granules, pepper steak burgers and grilled meats. Picked up these granules, and again, £1 for these. So again, this was £1, and yeah, I've never had them. Don't know if it's going to taste anything like peppercorn sauce, who knows, but James is obsessed with it. Every time we go to a restaurant or anything, or I have it with steak, he's always dipping his chips in and he's always stealing it. So I thought, you know what, let's get this and let's try it. I think we're going to be planning on having like a steak, maybe a burger night or something, I don't know, in the caravan. So I thought we can take this with us and try it. Why not, for £1? Try that, give it a go. So then I picked these up for James because he is the biggest crisp fan, like person. He just loves crisp. He goes through a lot of crisp, which isn't the best. It's not the greatest. But I got these to take with us for the drive, to have in the caravan. Just these, what are they, Seabrook? Yeah, Seabrook beefy crinkle cut crisps, 6 in a pack for £1. And the good thing about this as well, it's got an Alton Towers Resort 2-for-1 entry like voucher with the pack, so I thought that was great. So I know that everyone's gone back to school and stuff now, but you know, it'd be perfect for a little weekend and use that. So, and it says they're valid till next year, yeah, the 31st of May next year, so you can still use it then, the voucher. So I thought that was great. So I picked up these cotton pads because I desperately needed some and I ran out. So these are 120 pads for £1. Nothing really much to say. Just a packet of cotton pads. So yeah, of course going to be taking those away with me to cleanse my face. So cotton pads. So we got this universal charging cable because obviously we have phones, we're taking our phones with us. And I'm pretty sure this will work in our, like this one will work in our, it'll work in my camera. And I think it might work in our Nintendo Switches, I think. But the reason why I picked it up is because it has this one for like the very old iPads. We have an iPad, like an up-to-date version, but Harrison smashed it. It's just, we haven't got it fixed because we just can't afford to. It's just quite expensive. So we've not got it fixed. So I thought, I'll buy this, we'll charge up the very old iPad and take that with us so we can watch TV or whatever in the car. So yeah, I got that, £1. Then I got these because everyone raves about these and I've never tried them before. So I got these self-tanning wipes, and you get 20 wipes in a pack for £1. Never tried tanning wipes, but I hear everyone talk about them, so I was like, I have to try them. So can't go wrong for £1, and if they're just not that great, I mean, you know. So yeah, when I used to work in Primark, everyone would come in, and I don't know if it was exactly the same ones, but everyone would buy these and everyone was just like, oh my god, you need tanning wipes. So I'm going to try them. So I picked up some tanning wipes. So, and then I got some of these little Cadbury's shortcake snacks because these are just so nice, and these are just going to be perfect to take with us, have a little snack in the car. It's like a 3-hour car journey, I think, to where we're going. So I picked up those, and they were again £1. So then I also got this is by the brand Swirl. So these are the fragrance boosters. I've used the Lenore ones. I think I've used like Tesco's own, a couple of other brands as well, but this was, how much was this? Let me get my app out and I will tell you. This was £2, so I don't think that was bad. And you get, it's a 230 grams packet, although I'm looking at it there and there's about, in the light, there's about that much. There's like, it's not full to the brim, so I mean, you're not really getting 230 grams, are you? Anyway, I got these spring scented, so I've squeezed the smell. Oh yeah, that's actually quite nice. It's not, oh my god, it just went up my nose, oh my god. Anyway, I love putting these in the wash. They're amazing. And obviously I first started using these when I was watching Mrs. Hinch, back when she, like, oh my god, it's like 2 years ago now. She was using these and she's still using them now, and I was like, I have to start using them. So I always use these in my washing, and it just makes the washing smell so good, like so good. So next we have the Super Soft Kids shampoo and shower gel. Oh my god, I'm not going to be able to pronounce that because I think it's, I don't know what brand, it's German, but I can't pronounce it. But anyway, I got this because I thought this is perfect. It's 2-in-1 shampoo and shower gel. Take this to the caravan, then we don't have to have so many different shampoos and conditioners and shower gels all in one bag. So I picked that up for £1. So yeah, that's for Harrison. So because we're going away and we're not taking the dog with us because we couldn't get any dog friendly caravans, and because it's like quite a long drive, Kobe's not very good in the car. Like, he gets quite car sick, and I didn't want to like put him through such a long journey in case he gets like really upset and sick, and just like I didn't feel like it was a nice thing to do. So he's going to my mum's for the week, and he'll be absolutely fine because my mum has a dog, so he's gonna have lots of fun. He's gonna play with my mum's dog, and my mum lives near a big canal, so my dad will take them on big nice walks and stuff. So I got Kobe some treats to take with him. Of course, I have to look after him as well. So I got him some treats. I got him these little rodeo pedigree chewy stick things for £1 because he loves those, so I picked them up for him. And then I also got him these schmackos, is that what you call them? He loves these, he's obsessed with them. They were £1 also, and you get 12 of them. So he's going to be a happy dog on his little holidays at his nanny's house. So I got those for Kobe, for the dog. Then I also picked up myself some hair grips. These are, how many do you get in these? 200 hair grips. I desperately needed some hair grips. I have lost them. They just literally go anywhere. Like, if you know, you know. Like, these clips, they just disappear. So I picked up some of those because I'm going to take some with me. So 200 for £1. I thought that was an absolute bargain. So then I got Harrison this Colour by Dots book. So obviously I thought, we're going to the caravan and he can do this, like sit and have his breakfast or whatever. I just need to get some colours. But it's literally just a dot-to-dot book, and I just thought, you know, that'd be something that he could do while we're away or in the car or something on the way. Just a little dot-to-dot book. So I picked that up for Harrison because these things are just perfect to keep kids occupied when you go on holidays and things. So I got Harrison that. I couldn't not buy him anything. I couldn't not leave him out. Last thing I got, guys, were these 2 little baskets. Now I needed some more of these because I like to use these storage baskets in like cupboards and put like snacks in. But what I was thinking was, the idea for these was I was going to get these, and obviously I'm going to use them in the house. I'm going to use them in the cupboards in the kitchen, I think, because I have a couple of these in the cupboards, and I put like Harrison snacks in and things. So I picked up these because I thought I could take them to the caravan. I'm just going to put them in the boot, and I'm going to like put like, I don't know really, like just bits and bobs really. I think I was just kind of thinking. These were £2 I think for one. Yes. Yeah, these were £2. So these little, so these storage baskets were £2 each, and I got them in the dark grey. But you can't go wrong with some storage baskets, and for £2 each I thought they were absolutely really good steal. So perfect for storing things in. I think I'm going to use these in here in this room. I was thinking of putting them on my little shelf at the bottom, the very bottom shelf, and maybe just store like all my nail varnishes in and just like bits of makeup that I like to use but I don't want in my like drawers and stuff, so you know, just like random bits. So I picked up some storage baskets. Guys, that was everything that I got in today's Cherryz haul. I feel like I'm going to be obsessed with this like app. Like, I feel like I'm probably going to end up going on there and just spending all my money. So all this came to £30, and I think like 25p. So yeah, I thought that I got some really good things there, and I thought that was quite a good bargain for £30. So like 20 items in total, which is just really, really good for £30. So yeah guys, I'm so impressed, and I definitely think the Cherryz app is just fantastic. Like if you love bargain shopping and you love going to like all the bargain shops, then you're gonna love the Cherryz app, because there's just everything on there. And I feel like I'm probably going to do more of these videos, obviously, like, you know, go on there and spend my own money on there. So yeah, thank you so much to Cherryz for kindly gifting me the items in this video and gifting me a voucher to use, and I'm doing an unboxing. If you want me to do more hauls of Cherryz, then I can do. Let me know in the comments down below. I do have a discount code. Cherryz kindly gave me a discount code, so if you do use the code JADE20, you will save yourself 20% off your first purchase only, and it's only valid on the app, so make sure you use that guys, and you can save yourself 20% off. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure that you do give it a massive big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys.